What's up, everybody? Welcome to talking about my ProjectHack game, as you can see on the screen here. I have been thinking a lot about this recently. I realized that it was not allowing me to add all the features I wanted without having to seriously rethink the interface, right? I'm going to walk you through the new look of the game along with some of the very cool features, I think. You know, how I really envisioned this game, how I reworked the interface to accommodate some of the features that I just couldn't get in based on that very small, compact, mobile-first interface. When you load up the game here, you can see what we've got here now. Right, we've got a script editor because you're a hacker, right? You should be able to write scripts. And you've got a terminal down here that you can adjust. Over here, we've got the resources. You can see I've got the hackers here right now. We actually have the ability to close up these panels. Got your hacking level here, your dark web coins, things that you've seen before, but you have this new experience bar, and we'll talk about that in a second. You can, of course, hire hackers like you did before using dark web coins. Right now, as I've got it here, I've got 1,000 dark web coins. So you can see currently I'm not earning any experience. Now what I can do is use my resources like I have before, and I'm gonna hire some hackers here. And now you can see my experience is starting to go up here. When we get to 100%, of course, we're going to reach the next hacking level. That's your progression there. What's all this over here? Well, let's talk about this, right? So I've noticed in a lot of the popular hacker games, especially the ones that I really like playing, they let you write scripts. Could not do that with the old interface. When you first play the game here, it's got an example script. Played some other hacking games, this will be familiar. We've got a server name here. I'll talk about that in a second. We're going to try and steal some money from it. We're going to try and hack it. And then in the terminal down here, we want to be able to see how much money we've taken from that particular server. So of course I can save this script. I'm just going to save it here. It's called script.js, but I'm also just going to run it here. So when I run it, you can see down here, we successfully hacked the server. There you go. We hacked it for 1,000 dark web coin. And it completed successfully, and now I've got enough money to get some more resources because these buttons have highlighted. So we're going to do that because that's going to boost the speed of my experience. I can also run this script down here. So it's called script.js, so I can do it either way. I can load the script up here and run it. Now, where are these servers? Okay, so if I type in the help command, first of all, you can see there's quite a few commands already. So we're going to resize our console here. So one of the commands here you can see is scan network, show server network tree. So I'm going to say, hey, scan the network, right? And that's great. It's going to give me a whole list of servers, right? Based off of my home one here with the details. Shows me the security level, the amount of money it's got left because we've already hacked some money from it, and the level of hacking. If you want to, you can do it that way. So I could say, oh, okay, let's take this server name. I'm going to select it, copy it, put that one in my script, and let's run that one, right? So now I've hacked that server. Here's an extra cool part. Let's just bring this back down here. You will notice this network map tab. If I go to this tab here, we have this very cool new feature. I can click and drag around. I can zoom in, zoom out. It is showing me visually the network of the servers. I can click on any one of these and get the information over here in the details. So the orange means my skill is not high enough yet, my hacking level. I can also bring up a list of the servers here. Again, it shows me the ones in green that I can currently hack and the ones that I can't. And I can click on those and it'll navigate the map here to show me the appropriate one. That is a feature I have wanted for a very long time because I had introduced servers and I just couldn't think of a way to do this. This is the new interface as it stands right now, which really allows me to grow the game in the direction I want. Still got all the same features and everything else, but I just had to really rebuild the interface. I hope this has you excited. Certainly has me excited. Let me know what you think. Reach out to me, peterwinham.com. See you later.